Hey folks, Barcelona is going to ban cruise ships from one of their docks starting October 22nd, 2023. Now Barcelona has two sets of docks for cruise ships. They have the northern docks, they have the southern docks. The northern dock is going to be banned for cruise ships starting in October. Now this primarily affects smaller cruise ships, Regent, Seabourn, Silver Sea, cruise ship like that. They can take the larger ship, but predominantly it's the smaller ships. The southern docks, which are further away from a city center, those are going to remain open. And that's where, you know, your larger ships, your MSC, Royal Caribbean, and all of those, they still dock there. So that's not going to affect the larger ships yet. Now, what could affect the larger ships is a new terminal that's being built an hour away from Barcelona. Now, that's scheduled to open in the spring of 2024, and that is going to be in Tarragona, if I'm saying that right, Tarragona, Spain, which is roughly an hour away, and that is designed to bring in the largest cruise ships that are out there. So it's possible that around the spring of 2024, we might see Barcelona start pushing some of these other ships out as well. And we may end up with a situation in Barcelona similar to Rome, Athens, and Venice, where the cruise ships actually dock like an hour away from the city where they say they're going. So if you're on some of those smaller ships going to Barcelona after October 22nd, you're going to be docking somewhere else other than those northern docks. If you're on the larger ships right now, nothing's really changed in Barcelona, but we need to keep an eye on the spring of 2024 and see if maybe Barcelona is going to push the ships to go to that new pier that's being built about an hour away. Hey folks, I'm Walter, your independent travel advisor, and if we can help you in any way with your travels, land or sea, please do reach out.